Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Let's move ahead with the remaining questions of paper code 55 of the previous year paper 2021. So here the first question on the screen, as you all can see, is who viewed trade unions as a means of representing the interest of workers through the strategies of mutual insurance, collective bargaining and legal enactments. So ये जो basically trade union का definition है, this was given by Sydney and Beatrice Webb. The next question on the screen is by which three of the following ways can an individual performance be planned? So the options are task analysis or activities analysis, key result areas and goal setting, key performance area, key description area. So an individual performance can be planned by taking into consideration task analysis or activities analysis, key result areas and goal setting, and key description area. So key performance area basically is not a way by which individual performance is planned. The next question is choose the correct options regarding the theories of motivation. So theory X and Y are similar to each other. So this is wrong because theory X and Y are opposite to each other. Two factor theory is derived by McGregor. ये भी wrong है because two factor theory is derived by Herzberg. The concept of ERG theory is similar to Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. Yes, this is true because ERG theory is similar to Maslow's hierarchy of need theory के बाद ही ERG theory develop की गई थी. Both the theories are similar to each other. McClelland has identified the need for power, need for achievement, and need for affiliation as the motivating needs. So yes, this is also true. So the right answer of this question will be C and D. C and D. So the option D will be the right answer. C and D. Arrange the following phases of internationalization from the first to the fourth phase as identified by Adler. So Adler ने basically phases of internationalization दिया था. So इसको basically हमें arrange करना है. So first phase according to Adler is domestic. The second is international. The third is multinational. And the fourth is global. So the sequence will be A, D, B, and C. So A, D, B, and C is mentioned under option 3. So the next question is which of the following is related to on the job training? As you all must be knowing that there are two ways of giving training to employees. First one is on the job and second one is off the job. So ये काफ़ी important है because इससे प्रीवियस ईयर में भी काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं. सो ये आप लोग अच्छे से कर लेना. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज केस स्टडी. सो बेसिकली केस स्टडी इज़ अ method of the job training. Committee assignment is the method of on the job training. Role playing again is a method of the job training, and special classes is again a method of the job training. Next question is which two of the following conventions of ILO related to freedom of association, right to organize, and collective bargaining have not been ratified by India? So, freedom of association and right to organize and collective bargaining are mentioned under Convention number 87 and 98, and these two conventions are not ratified by India yet. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग। इसमें प्रोविजंस दिए हुए हैं और शेड्यूल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट एक्ट्स दिए हुए हैं। सो द फर्स्ट वन इज illegality or otherwise of a strike or lockout. So this is basically mentioned under schedule 2. Shift of industrial dispute act. Shift working otherwise than in accordance with standing order. So this is basically mentioned under schedule 3 of industrial dispute act. Any changes in contribution paid or payable by the employer to any provident fund or pension fund. So this is mentioned under schedule 4. Failure to implement award, settlement or agreement. This is mentioned under schedule 5. So A का basically 3 होगा, B का 1 होगा, C का 4 होगा and D का 2 होगा. So the right option is option number 2. Option ID is 6458. The next question is, who developed the Warwick model of HRM? There are different models of HRM, like Dave Ulrich model है, David Guest model है, Harvard model है, Henry and Pettigrew model है. So Warwick model किसने दिया था? Warwick model Henry and Pettigrew ने दिया था. Again match the following आया है. So Ivan Pavlov. So Ivan Pavlov किस थ्योरी से रिलेटेड है? He is related to classical conditioning theory. B.F. Skinner is related to operant conditioning theory. Albert Bandura is related to social learning theory. Fred Luthans is related to SOBC model. So ये सारी थ्योरीज बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर में इन सब थ्योरीज से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस बने हैं और मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि मैं इन सारी थ्योरीज पे एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊँ आप लोगों के लिए, बिकॉज दीज थ्योरीज आर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एन unauthorized strikes that is called for without the approval of the union is commonly known as. So आप लोगों को पता होगा कि there are different types of strikes like बंद, quickie, sit down, pen down, tool down. Okay, others are also there. So but wildcat strike में क्या होता है कि without any notice, the union, without giving any notice, without taking any approval of the union, a strike is held. So the right answer of this question is wildcat strike. The next question is, as per the provisions of Payment of Wages Act 1936, the register's records relating to the payment of wages shall be preserved for at least how many years after the date of last entry? So the right answer of this question is 3 years. So ये पेमेंट ऑफ वेजेस एक्ट के अंडर मेंशन है, like this is one of the provision that is mentioned under Payment of Wages Act, that the employer should require to maintain the register's records relating to the payment of wages for at least 3 years after the date of last entry. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.